to any brand. Okay, I look for how young it is, how fresh it is, and how feasible it is. Affordable, feasible.
What would you say about the Arvind and Sephora?
Sephora, you find everything here. Like, I think the problem about most of the metropolitan cities is you don't like traveling, and when you're looking for certain kind of brands, you don't really find at one place. So this is one, it's like a fairyland where you find all the options in one place, and even the options that you really don't find in India, you can find here. Like so many brands like Benefit and NYX you don't find in India. So I think it's really good for youngsters and teenagers because it's really popular amongst youngsters. So I think I can find anything here.
Okay, how life changed post your very first few meetings?
For me, it's still the same. I'm a workaholic. I like to work. I'm still working. So yeah, of course, people start knowing you. They start recognizing you, which is a good feeling because in a way, it shows your work. It shows that you have done a good work. So yeah, that's a good feeling.
What will you be buying from here?
I'm going to buy everything, like from each rack, everything.
Okay, what are the three things you normally carry in your bag?
The makeup thing, a tint from Benefit, mascara from Benefit, and a lip balm.
Okay, what happening on professional front? What's there in the pipeline? Are you in talks?
My film's going to release in around Jan 27. That's called Kung Fu Yoga, and yeah, I'm waiting for that. And also, I'm reading few scripts. So if I find something nice, I'm going to sign it up, and I'm going to let you know.
Okay, given a choice, Ranbir Kapoor or Ranveer Singh, with whom you want to work with?
You know, I was a great fan of Ranbir Kapoor when I was young. I had like big crush on him, so I would still choose him.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Really good to see you, Isha.
Thank you.
Tell us, what are the three things you look into whenever you associate yourself with anything?
I think brand association always is very important, first of all, for celebrities. I think just something like what the brand represents, what all it's selling, and how much of what they're saying is true. I'm good. No, I just need it in my hand.
Okay. Isha, what is fashion for you? What is the style mean? What is fashion means to you? Especially makeup part.
Fashion's everything, especially being a celebrity. I think fashion's everything. I'm not saying we have to be, of course, in trend and follow the fashion, but I don't think, chalega na? But I don't think we need to follow the fashion to the T that something's not looking good on our body type, we are still going for it. Something's not looking good on our face, and we are still having that. But makeup trend is also something which is very cool thing, because now the makeup trends actually followed. If you see from the 50s to the 60s to the 70s till now, like makeup's changing every day, and like I said, like for us, especially for actors, it's like a blessing in disguise.
Okay, Diwali is around the corner. What's your preparation for Diwali?
As in, like what?
Diwali is around the corner. I mean, Diwali is a big festival. What is your preparation for Diwali?
Preparation in what sense?
You know, you'll be shopping, you'll buying stuff for yourself.
बहुत गलत सवाल है भाई. मैं घर से अलग रहती हूँ. There will be no Diwali shopping. घर में एक दिया जला लूँगी. Please, जब हम काम करते हैं ना, you have no time to have Diwali. I think I'll be attending all the parties which will be happening in Bombay. But मेरे अपने घर पे there'll be a diya, and that's it. And I don't believe in firecrackers. And if I get chance, I'll go back home and celebrate Diwali like Delhi does, with all the good food and all the diyas everywhere, and all the, like, my parents dress it up well. But mera, there's nothing. There's just no shopping happening.
Okay, what happening on professional front? What's the end pipeline?
I'm just finishing Commando, and then I'm going to Badshaho, and then my other one starts in Feb, which is going to be announced by the end of the year.
If you can tell us a little more about Commando.
6 Jan it's releasing. Please go watch it. I can't tell you about my character. It's a very cool character. It's a very sweet girl, and that's all I can tell you.
Okay, there'll be expectation really high because the Commando one they have done really well.
I know.
So do you feel that pressure on your shoulder being a part of Commando?
No, I think this one's going to do better.
Thank you, Isha.
Thank you.
देखिए, बहुत खुशी की बात है कि सेफोरा मुंबई में लॉन्च हो गया है, बिकॉज आई थिंक जो लेडीज़ हैं मुंबई की बहुत खुश रहेंगी, बिकॉज दिस इज़ वन ऑफ दोज वन स्टॉप स्टोर्स जहाँ पे हर किस्म की ब्यूटी और मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स आपको मिलेंगी. ऑल्सो द फैक्ट सिर्फ जानकारी मिलेगी कि क्या ट्रेंडी है, कि कैसे मेकअप करते हैं, कि क्या कॉस्मेटिक यूज़ करना चाहिए. ये मेरा फेवरेट शॉप बहुत सालों से रहा है, और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ क्योंकि अब मुझे सूटकेस भर के शॉपिंग बंद करनी पड़ेगी. इंटरनेशनली आई डोंट हैव टू डू इट. अभी मैं मॉल में मुंबई में मॉल में आके शॉपिंग कर सकती हूँ. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि सेफोरा यहाँ पे खुला है. आई एम क्वालिटी कॉन्शियस. लाइक अगर कोई ब्रांड अच्छी क्वालिटी का कुछ भी प्रेजेंट कर रहा है, आपको दे रहा है, आई एम लाइक अ नॉर्मल कंज्यूमर. आपको ब्रांड तभी अच्छा लगेगा कि जब उनकी क्वालिटी अच्छी होगी, जब वो अच्छा काम करे. मेरे को पूरा स्टोर पसंद आया है, और वैसे भी एवरी डे आई यूज सेफोरा प्रोडक्ट्स. चाहे इट कुड बी अ हेयर प्रोडक्ट, माई लिपस्टिक्स, माई मस्काराज. तो सारे जितने भी ब्रांड्स यहाँ पे सेफोरा जो मदर कंपनी है उसके अंदर जितने भी ब्रांड्स लेके आए हैं, दे आर वेरी वेरी गुड ब्रांड्स. बेनिफिट, स्टिला, मेकअप फॉरएवर. So these are all brands that we always use.
भाषा इतने सालों से अपनी इंडस्ट्री में ट्रेंड सेटर है, मैं कहूँगा, जिससे लेकर अब तक
Thank
जो
you.
भी आपने किया सब लोगों ने कॉपी किया, उसको सराहा. तो अभी भी आपको लगता है आपको जरूरत है मेकअप करने की, जो ऑलरेडी
अरे तो क्या मेकअप नहीं करूँ?
मेकअप करोगी लेकिन
इवेंट में आ जाओ ऐसे नींद से उठ के.
no, guru I would say that.
But I see there is a woman is a woman. काम अलग होता है, और एक लड़की होती है, एक वुमेन होता है, वो अलग होता है. तो हम लोग अपने शौक के लिए, खुद के लिए चीज़ें करते हैं. It's not only to entertain people or to look good or to put your best foot forward or to inspire people, but बहुत सारी चीज़ें हम लोग खुद के लिए भी करते हैं. और I think main thing about being a woman is that you like to, ये जो सजना श्रृंगार, ये सब I think it belongs to every woman. Each and every woman has her birthright on it. दिवाली बहुत जैसे होती है हमेशा. लक्ष्मी पूजा मम्मी करेगी, एंड घर पे खाना पीना, एंड मे बी किसी फ्रेंड के घर पे पार्टी होगी. बट इट्स नाइस दैट आफ्टर माई वेडिंग इट्स माई फर्स्ट दिवाली. इट्स विद करण, एंड इट्स स्वीट. I feel it's a sweet thing.
मम्मा के बॉन्डिंग की चर्चा भी बहुत हो रही है.
Thankfully they gel together. अच्छी बात है ना.
आपको ओपिनियन जानना बहुत ज़रूरी
no, I would not like to comment on
Where
this.
does you buy all your fashions?
Sorry?
Where does you buy all your fashions?
देखिए हमारी एक्चुअली वी एज एक्टर्स इन टुडेज टाइम आर स्पॉइल्ड फॉर चॉइस बिकॉज बेहतरीन ब्रांड्स इंडिया में आ चुके हैं और हमारे जो लोकल डिज़ाइनर्स हैं स्टाइलिस्ट्स हैं बहुत ही अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं तो हमें ज़्यादा कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है आजकल एक एक्टर को यू नो व्हेन यू वांट टू लाइक टू पुट योर बेस्ट फुट फॉरवर्ड इन एन इवेंट आई वुड से तो हमारे आजकल इतने टैलेंटेड लोग हैं कि द टीम्स बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है तो ज़्यादा खुद करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है बट इन आवर ओन टाइम व्हेन आई वांट टू शॉप एंड ऑल मतलब सब जगह जाके कुछ ना कुछ मिल जाता है Yeah, there are definitely. There are offers are thankfully I'm blessed. Offers have always been there, but not the kind that I wanted. So there are 2 films that I am looking into at the moment. Hopefully by next year, I am also hoping to see myself on screen soon. Happy Diwali to all the viewers. Have a safe Diwali. Be safe, enjoy yourself, and love yourself.